Hi, I'm Rob Van Rapport. Welcome to MBA Now. MBA Research recently released the annual origination volume summation, and 2017 was a record year. Here to talk about it with me is Jamie Woodwell. Jamie, thanks for being here.
Good to be here, Rob.
Jamie, let's first dive into 2017. Why was it such a record year?
Yeah, it was a strong year for commercial multifamily mortgage originations. We had solid property fundamentals, we had increasing property values, we had low interest rates, and we had ample supply of capital. So all of those things together helped push borrowing and lending up to this record level that we saw, $530 billion. We saw strong lending from banks, from GSEs. We saw multifamily and office properties leading the pack, and big pickups in originations for the CMBS market, for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, as well as, again, multifamily, one of the big increases in lending activity.
MBA Research also released their quarterly data book recently. What were the key takeaways?
Sure. What we saw a little bit going on throughout the year and also in the fourth quarter was a little bit of a downshift. We saw a slowdown in the growth of transactions activity, so actually a pullback in the number of sales that took place. We also saw the growth in fundamentals slowing down, so we still saw rent growth, we still saw solid fundamentals, but the pace of growth that we had seen in previous years wasn't quite there. So we continued to see the market growing, but again, that pace of growth fell off a little bit.
So what would you say the overall outlook for commercial real estate finance is going to be in 2018?
Sure. A lot of the fundamentals and momentum that we saw in 2017 continuing in 2018. We've got some headwinds and some tailwinds. In terms of the headwinds, we do have higher interest rates this year. We saw a pickup in the first quarter there. We also do see that downshift in terms of sales transactions activity and the slowdown in the growth of fundamentals. All of those little bit of headwinds. At the same time, we do have tailwinds. We've still got a strong economy. Tax reform should be a boost to overall activity. And then also we do have lots of capital still loving the looks of commercial real estate finance. We think those two are pretty balanced in total. So we expect another strong year in 2018, maybe not quite as strong as 2017 was.
Yeah, important to note, just because it's not another record year doesn't mean it's not a strong year.
Exactly right.
Great. Well, we really appreciate you coming by and talking with us.
Thanks.
Be sure to follow us on Twitter at MBA Mortgage and like Mortgage Bankers Association on Facebook and Instagram.